Hey y'all!
Hey! Tonight we're making some spaghetti. And we have our angel hair pasta. We like this pasta. It's just, I don't know, easy to put on a fork, I guess.
It's real skinny. Y'all know what that is. But anyway, she asked for some spaghetti at the grocery store last night when we were buying stuff for our
Pumpkin guts.
for our pumpkin guts.
For our pumpkin cheesecake.
I guess technically yes, to make our pumpkin guts into a cheesecake. So some pumpkin guts. All right, so I told her she had to make it. So all right, Miss Kate.
Okay, never touched raw meat before.
Well, you did too. You did the chicken that day.
Oh, true.
There you go. First thing you do is get your sleeves out of the way. I didn't realize you had never done it. I usually just tear it and then dump it over into it.
Okay. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh God, they're going to the step top.
I'll try to get us a little closer.
It is awesome meat.
Sorry about all the movement. We're going to get this videography part right.
And my fingers touch
Oh.
on me. There we go, see.
All right, you got to pick up all the remnants. You got this?
Wait.
Alrighty, now just go wash your hands. Alright, we're back. So now what we're going to do is going to brown the meat. So we need to get a spatula, whichever one you want. Alrighty, and I like to season mine a little bit with a little, well, you can use anything.
Here, I'm gonna do it.
Okay. You got a lot of meat, so you gotta cover it all. I love black pepper. How about y'all? My mom has always poured her black pepper all over all her food, so I guess that's where I got my love for it from. All right. Keep all the pepper on the inside of the pot.
Keep it on the inside of the pot.
You can lay this down. Uh-oh, this one must be my new one. Hold on. That means I probably have an old one somewhere that we need to probably finish off, but you know what? It's all right. All right, this is just a little what?
Garlic powder.
Just sprinkle.
Whoa! That turned out really fast.
Okay.
So don't just sprinkle. That's gonna be the saltiest piece of meat ever.
Okay, so
Just even it out.
baby, you can't leave that much garlic powder.
I don't know what to do with it.
Hold on, look. Okay, number one, let me teach you. Okay, so on top of the lid, you move too quick. You see how that one's got a full cutout?
Oh.
You see how that one has holes?
There's a lot of
Hold
garlic
on, I
powder.
gotta get the phone so y'all can see this.
There's a lot of garlic powder. You told me to just sprinkle some.
I
so
said
did.
sprinkle.
Well, it's okay. It'll just be very.
We are not leaving that. You will not be able to enjoy it. Hold on.
Oh, spaghetti.
Sweetie, you got to be able to eat your spaghetti. You put that much, and that.
What are we gonna do with it then?
Okay, it's okay. Look,
Wipe it off?
yes. So there is.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's just it was first. Oops. So it was up to there. I mean, it's down to here now. So
My fault.
it is okay. Look here. What we're gonna do. Let me turn it around where you can see us.
I put cocaine on it. Oh, that's
It is okay. Hold on. Yep.
very garlicky. So Mama's gonna help me fix the oops I made.
It is okay, right? We're gonna. Ooh, she said it's awful garlicky. Okay, we are going to.
Oh, baby.
It is okay though. See,
Yeah.
we're gonna loosen up all this. I mean, good thing it's spaghetti, right?
Mama, we ain't gonna be able to enjoy it.
Yes, we will. We'll enjoy it. I promise. Okay, now let's finish. Okay.
Uh-oh.
I might have dropped a little bit of my meat, but that's okay. I just cleaned out my sink. It'll be all right. All right.
Well, don't use the meat that fell into the...
I just sterilized everything. I just cleaned it. There's nothing wrong with it.
Oh no, I was talking about the bubbles. Didn't that taste like bubbles or
Oh. Oh, I'm not getting that little bit that fell into the little drain thingy. Okay, so now that we have had an oops, y'all tell us your biggest oops. I can see this post is going to be a fun one. It's going to be a fun one, isn't it? All right. Let me move all this hamburger meat out of the drain thing so the powder can go down. It is okay. It's just a little, I mean, it's nothing, I promise. We're making garlic spaghetti. Don't you eat garlic bread?
I don't like that much garlic.
Well, that much garlic isn't in there anymore. I fixed it. It's okay. It's no biggie.
Maybe next time I should check the...
Well, I had never showed you the spice thing, how to tell which side is which. So just FYI on the pepper has the big size. I mean, you know that big opening I showed you on that garlic? It has the big one, and then it has a little smaller, and then it has all them individual holes. But you picked the right one, so I didn't even say anything to you. Whenever you put the black pepper on, you did it right. That one was, you picked the right hole. You just didn't look at the garlic powder, but you wouldn't have known that if I hadn't ever taught you, and I hadn't ever taught you, so technically it was my bad. You said you were going to be independent, and you were. Most of the time, that's how we learn in life. Gotta do it wrong to figure out the right way. Or what works best, right?
I guess.
It is okay. Do not let that ruin our dinner together. Alright, now, let's wash my hands. That looks much better. That's about right anyway. That's gonna be good. I promise, it's gonna be good.
Sink meat.
Sink meat.
Because I poured too much seasoning.
It is okay though. It is not a big deal. That will not be your first oops. Alright. Now, look here. Let's put it right back here on the stove, but they will not be able to see us over there. So let's move the camera back over here to us. All right, we're back over here. I'm going to show you all what, that's how much is left. So that's going to be fine. Okay, now before I get everybody motion sick, I'm going to quit trying to move this camera. All right, now, do you remember how to light the stove? So, most stoves have pictures. Get up here.
I have to sneeze.
So, in the middle is this little piece. And it's got like this oval shaped gas burner. And then this right here in the back.
And then that's the
front
back burner.
That's the front burner. Okay, do you remember how to turn it on? But you have to leave it on light long enough for it to click.
Sorry.
It's fine. There you go. All right. Now, I like to, when I'm doing hamburger meat, just because I know that sometimes it gets a little greasy, I like to put a little apron on. You have a black shirt on, so I don't think you need it. Do you want it though? No?
I mean, it's
Man.
still.
I wanted you to wear this camo one. I think it'll be cute.
Wait,
I got her whenever she wasn't able to defend herself.
no, 'cause
You
I'm
gotta
doing
look the part now. There you go.
Camo hoodie. Camo.
We're gonna have to
ocean
get you a
hoodie.
cute apron. I don't guess I have. Well, when y'all were little, remember I made us some. Mine said Mama, and then one said Anna, and the other one said Kaitlyn. But I don't know where they are. Do you?
You probably got rid of them.
Probably did. Who knows?
I don't
When
know
we
if they
moved, we boxed up our whole house in town. Huh?
Why is this sizzling? I don't know.
Because it's brown in the meat.
It's gonna take forever. You know, use something stronger than
Well-
this flimsy spatula.
Yes, that's what I was going to tell you, but you picked this one up before I could give you any advice, so it's fine. Here you go.
No, I didn't know there was a different end.
Well, no, it's not like it's
Okay, here.
you doing the same thing. You're not listening for advice. Not that I really had any to give, but that's what happened. There you go. So who needs advice when you're a pro, right? See, that looks like that's going to be perfect, Kaitlyn. And there's one other seasoning that I really like that I'm going to sprinkle on it. I love Cavaliers.
Wait.
Oh, you want to do it?
No, hold on. I'm browning your meat.
You're grounding my meat. Isn't this our meat? Unless you're not planning on eating any, even though you requested it.
I don't want to touch the pot. Woo!
Now, the thing about this is you don't have to stir it constantly. Hang on, let me...
Well, hold on now. I'm trying to.
Okay. Do I need to go get a stool for you to stand on?
No, my shoulders hurt.
I know, because hold on, I'll get our little stool. Forget how short you are. Watch out in just a second. Alright, going up there.
Maybe my height would. Maybe when I come back next year, I'll be taller. I doubt it. But
You're 18, I'm sure you're finished growing. Looking good, Kaitlyn. Look how tall you are.
I wish in real life I was this tall. Well, probably not this tall, but taller.
So, can I give you some advice?
Hold on. Yes, you can. Woo, that baby's sizzling.
Alright, so this is the thing. You're stirring the top, but the bottom. Are you wore out already? Okay, listen. Okay, look. You're stirring the top part real good, so you need to flip it every now and then, like a pancake, so you get that bottom part. If not, your bottom is going to be burnt, and your top is not going to be cooked. So get little chunks. Go up and flip them over, okay?
Like a pancake.
And then just kind of do it all the way around. And just don't break them too high up, because if not, you're going to have them on your counter. You don't have to pick them up too far.
Trying to get a good grip on it.
So just do like, scoop under and flip over. Not up high, not up high. There you go. Stay low. That way you don't throw your meat out. Okay. There you go. So that area you hadn't flipped at all.
What area?
Right there. Okay. Look, I want you to see something. Look. Go under and just flip it over like that. You don't even have to lift. I mean, I know you probably want to work out and all, but you don't have to.
Work out.
Uh-huh. You're going and lifting it all the way up, so you're going to have these huge muscles. Okay, now try that one. Go under, do a little flip over. And spread it out so that it all, because that's why I got a big pot for you, because I felt like it would be a little messy.
I flipped it off.
Alright, good job.
That's what it is.
Now, do you know what we're watching for with hamburger meat? Don't sling it, okay? Because those grease, and I don't want to have to clean all that.
I don't know. The redness to go away?
Perfect. So when it's all brown, you know it's done. Do you need me to cover for a little bit, or you good?
I got it.
Okay. So you see those chunks of bread down in there?
Yeah, this side of my fingers touch the pot. Burned a little. Not bad.
Look, you can do this.
That'll be burnt.
Look, this kind of helps break up some of those bigger pieces. And then flip it, and then do the same thing. I don't think you've ever really watched me, so sometimes you can just learn a little bit by watching for half a second. There you go. See that? And do the same exact thing over here on this side. And if you ever feel like maybe one side of your pot's cooking faster than the other, you can make sure it's centered on your eye, which it looks centered. Oh, you know what I should be doing? Well, no, I want you to do it all tonight. So I'm going to hit pause on the video. If not, this video is going to be super long, huh? All right, tell them you'll be back in just a minute.
We'll be back in just a minute.
It's almost ready. All right, how are we looking over there?
It looks almost done.
Oh, it looks good. I don't see any pink. Let me put the seasonings back up in the lid.
Do you want me to add any extra seasoning?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm just getting the pot out. All this is just a strainer. This sits down in my bowl to catch the grease so we don't
Here, I'll
leave
leave
it.
so you can do this.
Alright, I'm gonna turn that off.
So I don't burn myself that way.
Alrighty, let's see. Ooh, that's hot. Let me pause this. Everybody knows how to drain some grease.